Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing I am convinced about, Yambonu Makumalo, she loves her man, you guys. Now, one thing we saw on Thursday's episode of Utando Nestembu, you guys, is that Umusa revealed Uguti Umakumalo bought a house for herself. Not only bought a house for herself, Ugel is currently busy with renovations for that house because that house doesn't fit Ubuye. Now, the house doesn't match her aesthetics, I guess. Now, a lot of people were like, wow, congratulations, Makomalo. Makomalo could buy a house for herself and whatnot. And guys, I'm just going to say that I'm part of the people that are saying that this is not really something we should be celebrating. Yes, it's a good thing Uguchi she can afford to buy her house on her own comfortably and still renovate. But guys, when is Umakumalo going to get a chance ukuthi I enjoy nje imali yendoda yakhe? Does it mean just because Yana she's got more money than the other wives, or just because she is more financially able that she doesn't deserve to be spoiled by her man? Guys, I just find that a bit like it's not nice. And I could see ukuthi Umakomano, she had no problem. She was comfortable with this thing not being revealed. The person who revealed this thing is Umusa, and hence Umakumalo was even saying, why you tandu wenzi izinto zibe awkward? Like to say, why do you feel the need to mention I'm buying my house, or I'm buying my house with my own money while you are buying while when you are financing the other wife's house? She was kind of saying like it's unnecessary for people to know, which gave me the impression Umakumalo is fine with the public speculating whatever they want to speculate, or she's fine with the public thinking Musa probably bought the house for her, whereas it's not the case. Her own company, Umakumalo's company, is the one that's financing the house. Guys, angikho happy, shame. Angikho happy ngalokho. But you know, the truth is, we as the public, some of us at least, we're not happy about that. But the truth is, guys, moshadile, her money is your money is her money. And I feel like when it comes to Utobile, she seems to understand that aspect very well. Because I don't remember in any conversation that she will have with Umusa, where she tries to make Umusa kind of feel smaller than her just because she's able to finance certain things in her life, which I must give to her. Because listen, what a lot of women, they find that difficult. The moment they get a little bit more or start earning more than the man, then it becomes a problem. The respect thing is gone because the man can't provide for the woman as much as she can provide for herself. So you know what? I'm going to say big ups to her for that. But I need Umusa to not be comfortable with that. Guys, just because we have our own money, just because umuntu wesifazane unemali yakhe, it doesn't mean she doesn't want to be spoiled. No, it doesn't mean she doesn't want you to do the things that you are able to do with your for your other wives, because umayeni benomangwabe bayasebenza, guys, bayasebenza, and they probably can afford. Let me not say probably, because when it comes to credit score is not really about how much you earn, right? There's affordability that comes into play. There's things like your disposable income that comes into play. So but the fact is, umayeni benomangwabe bayasebenza, but Umusa never said to them ukuthi ngoba niyasebenza aniyeni ebhenkini and see if you guys qualify and then whatnot. He is willing to take the finance or to finance houses for them. But another thing I foresee being a problem here, maybe Umusa did not explain to the other wives ukuthi Tobile is going to buy her own house, because if Utobile is going to buy her own house, guys, siyamazi ukuthi Utobile uthanda izinto. She likes things. So chances are the house that she catered might be way nicer, way bigger than the other wives' houses, and might be even possibly be in a better suburb or in a better place than the other wives' house. Now, obviously, I just think it's going to already we don't know why Utobile, well, we do kind of know, but already sometimes you can see the treatment towards Utobile by the other wives. It's off-ish. So I feel like even this house thing, if Abai Kazanga, if they don't explain it well, it's going to create the vision of other people thinking which Umusa actually bought Utobile a house that is bigger than theirs. And Leska, they really know their husband's capabilities. But now the question is, if Utobile did not buy a house for herself and said to Musa, no, I want you to buy a house for me, was he going to be able to afford ke amalobolo akhe, amakhwela? Because it looks like Utobile, she gives Musa a bit of freedom when it comes to money because she can afford herself and she doesn't seem to ask for much coming from Musa. Now, guys, so you're telling me all these other wives are going to move to the townhouses? Usamke uzosala emzumbe. Kusho ukuthi naye they saying ukuthi she must start from scratch. Ayohlala emzumbe and then later on they will get her a house. Hayi kodwa badlala ngayo. Why are they not getting Usamke a house in the suburbs as well? But anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Anyway, congratulations to them on their houses. Congratulations to Utobile for being able to even afford a house on her own. Renovations don't come easy. So you know what? Maybe Utobile can come out here and give some wives a bit of tips, you guys. Uguti, how do you maintain your respect and your composure towards your husband, whereas you are affording way more than him? Well, it appears that way. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.